How to download GTA Vice City for your PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To download your GTA Vice City for your PC, you'll be needing your Steam, so make sure to launch it in your device. Now, if you have not created your Steam account, make sure to do so and log in into your Steam first and foremost. Now, in the search bar, you need to type in GTA Vice City and you can just tap on the search button. After which, you will find various editions of your GTA. Locate the GTA Vice City, the edition that you prefer, and tap on it. Make sure you confirm your date of birth as it is not appropriate for under 18. Once you have confirmed your birth date, just tap on View Page. You'll be redirected to this page right here where you can find the preview of the game. Now to get it, all you need to do is purchase the game, and as you can see it will cost you $44.99 USD. Tap on the add to cart option. Now from here click on view my cart. You can remove the another one if you have any in your cart and make sure the Vice City is only available. From there, you can tap on Continue to Payment. After you have successfully reached to the payment method, you can select your payment type. That could be PayPal, Visa, or any other MasterCard that you use. If you use a PayPal, you will have to link your PayPal account to your Steam. If you select your Visa or MasterCard, you have to enter your card details along with the billing information. After you have successfully purchased your GTA Vice City, you can enjoy the game. Hopefully, this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.